Hi guys! Namiss ko kayo, and in today's video, I am gonna show you how to apply this press-on manicure. So yeah, I really do love these press-on manicures. They're so easy to apply, no fuss, ready to wear, and it doesn't really cost a lot of money. And since COVID, hindi tayo masyadong nakakapagpa-nail, and of course, bawal din sa work ko. So yeah, I love how it has different sizes, colors, shapes, and yung iba may mga glitters pa and may mga stones. So it's very easy. You just follow the instructions at the back and it will tell you what to do, and very straightforward lang naman ang instructions nito. So madali siyang i-follow. Ayan, so it comes with 30 nails including 6 accents. So yung accents is yung mga glitter or yung mga may mga stripes or yung may mga rhinestones. So it comes with a prep pad, a little bit of nail file, and meron siyang stick na pang push ng nails. So yan, so today I'm gonna use this ombre blue press and go press on manicure from Kiss, and this one I got from Watson's maybe last year. So yeah, so what you'll need is some nail file and some pusher, some alcohol and wipe, and nail glue. This one is optional. So start off with a clean nails. So I already cut, trimmed, and file it. So pinupush ko lang siya a little bit, yung cuticle back. And now I'm gonna file it a little bit. My nails are very short now because I really don't like long nails. Ayan, so you're ready, and you just line up the nail according to the size of your nails. Ayan, so ito yung napili kong pattern. So, and then I am gonna use this brush on nail glue from Kiss, and I'm just prepping my nails with a little alcohol pad. Now this one, two ways. You can either take off the sticky bit and then just press it onto your nails and you're done. But if you're like me, I like to make it a little bit more stable. I put this nail glue. I only put a tiny bit at the center because I don't want too much glue. Ayoko masyadong madikit. And yeah, so I just do like that, and then I just press it. So I don't press it until I'm really sure na super okay na yung angle niya sa aking nail bed. And I'm just putting the accent nail now. As you can see, it's very quick and very easy to apply. You can do this in about 5 minutes or even when you're at the car. Yeah, and then file nyo lang siya to your desired shape or length. So that's one done, and I'm doing exact the same procedure on the other nail. Sobrang dali lang nito guys, and this is my go-to, especially if may mga event or parties kayong pupuntahan and you don't have time to go to the salon to have a manicure. And yeah, this one lasts for about 2 weeks maximum with the nail glue. Pero kung walang nail glue, I would just say probably about 3 days to 1 week. And I tried this one before na naghugas na ako ng pinggan, naglaba ako, naglinis, everything. Okay na okay siya guys. And it's very cute pa yung mga designs. So last press, and you are almost done. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and click the notification bell. Thank you!